Hello, my name is Ann Bilyeu, and I am the CEO of MDeverywhere. I would like to thank everyone for joining us today. At MDE, we are always looking for ways to improve the experience for our clients. We want to be easy to work with, easy to communicate with, and easy to give feedback to. To that end, we have recently introduced a number of innovations designed to make things easier for our clients. In a moment, Leonard Balcom, our head of training, is going to demonstrate 5 new features that we have recently launched in our systems that should streamline the process of communicating with your MDeverywhere team. We will also introduce you to our new YouTube channel, where you will find very useful training material. Finally, he will review a new program we have recently launched that will help you earn money for your practice by serving as a reference or by introducing us to new clients. We are very excited about these innovations and hope you will be too. At MDeverywhere, we will continue to strive to earn your business every day by being the most innovative, service-oriented company in the industry. These new innovations are the most recent examples of that commitment. Leonard?
Thank you, Ann, for the introduction, and thank you all for watching this video. We're going to be covering quite a few subjects today, as Ann alluded to. We'll be starting with our new automated client survey, our new online click-to-chat functionality, our complement complaint feature, the ability to add a physician via dashboard, our new online forms for enrollment, our new YouTube channel, and finally, our Showcase Client Initiative. We're going to begin by switching to dashboard, where I've already logged in. Now, here within dashboard, in the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice the MDE Client Surveys 2013 link. By clicking on this link, you will be taken to the survey page. Once on the survey page, we'll ask for a few details: your name, your practice name, and your email address. Once all of this is entered, you can begin answering the questions below. You'll notice we ask about your collection performance, the ease of use of MDeveryware software, the effectiveness of our reporting, the effectiveness of MDeveryware communications, the timely response and resolution of any problems or issues, MDeveryware impact on patient satisfaction, your overall satisfaction with your account executive, and finally, your overall satisfaction with MDeveryware as a whole. For each of these questions, you have 4 options: exceeds expectations, meets expectations, needs improvement, or below expectations. For any questions that you answer with meets expectations or exceeds expectations, that'll be the last step for those questions. However, for any questions that you answer below expectations or needs improvement, when you click Next, on the following page, we're going to ask for a little more information about those specific questions. Here, we ask for input where we can improve our system and improve our services based on your feedback. Please be detailed with your feedback here and tell us any suggestions or problems you've had so we can make those changes. Remember that once you've submitted the survey, we're going to be contacting you within 24 hours to respond to these issues. So the more information you can give us, the more opportunity we have to make changes to improve those things. For now, just to move on, I'll enter the word test into each of the boxes, and I'll click Next. On the following page, we'll ask you about your satisfaction with MDE's credentialing services. If you don't currently subscribe to our credentialing services, simply click Not Subscribe. Otherwise, once again, you'll be asked to answer below, needs, meets, or exceeds expectations. Next, we'll ask if you would refer MDeverywhere to another practice. Simply answer yes or no. Below that, you have one more comments option. This is where you can give us any other information or any other suggestions or input that you would want MDeverywhere to know about. Once finished here, at the bottom, we ask if MDeverywhere can use your comments for our marketing efforts. Either answer yes or no, and when finished, click Next. On the final screen, we'll ask for any physicians that you would refer to MDeverywhere. If you do have a practice that you would like to refer to MDeverywhere for our services, simply enter their name, their phone number, and the specialty of the practice. When complete, you can click Submit, and your survey will be submitted to MDeveryware. And again, you'll receive a response within 24 hours from an MDE rep. Going back to the dashboard page, our next feature we'd like to discuss is our new live chat functionality. Just beside the survey link, you'll notice where you have the option of a live support chat. This is great for any billing questions you may have. When you click on the live support chat link, the system will ask you for your name, your email address, and you can click Request Chat. This will then connect you with one of MDeverywhere's live support agents. And again, this is where you can ask any questions about your ledger, any billing-related questions, anything of that nature. You'll notice I'm now connected with a live agent, and I can enter a question in the box below. I'll press send. They'll receive my question, and I'll be able to get a real-time response from this rep. Things that you normally would have picked up a phone to ask or sent an email to ask, now you can get that real-time live feedback. It's a great opportunity to get a quick answer when you have a quick question. Once their response pops up, if you have any follow-up questions, you can always ask other questions. We see here their answer. When we're finished, we can simply either click End Chat, or we can simply exit out of the live chat box. The next subject I'd like to talk about is also located in the dashboard. It's on the left-hand side under Contact Support. By clicking Contact Support, you'll notice the option of Compliment/Complaint. By clicking on Compliment/Complaint, you'll have an opportunity to file either a complaint or a compliment to either a department or specific person within MDeverywhere. You can choose the category for which your compliment or complaint falls, including billing, invoice credentialing, patient statements, payment posting, reconciliation, reports, technology, training, or other. You'll simply enter a subject line, and below you can enter any details that you would like to enter. Again, this is a great opportunity to provide feedback to MDeverywhere, and once again, you will get a response within 24 hours of any compliments or complaints that through dashboard. When you're finished typing in your message, simply hit send to send that message. Our next feature is located just above that one on the left-hand side, and that's the New Provider Request link. From New Provider Request, you can now request to add a new provider to your practice into our systems right here through Dashboard. In the past, you would have to use phone and email to give us details and information, fill out various forms, and send them back and forth. Now all of that is streamlined into one central location. When you do have a new provider to be added into the system, simply come here and fill out all of the necessary details. When completed, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see Submit Request. If there are any extra details we need, a representative from MDeverywhere will be in contact with you. Otherwise, from just this form, we'll be able to add your new providers very quickly and easily. The next feature I'd like to discuss is somewhat similar. We're moving a lot of our implementation and other forms directly onto the web. By moving these forms online, again, we're cutting back on your email and phone time, trying to make things faster, more streamlined, and more efficient for you. We have a couple of forms uploaded as an example for now, and you see that when I go to this particular website, I have group data form, system login sheet, etc. More forms will be added as time continues. For now, I can click on, say, System Login Sheet. This particular sheet allows me to add new users to my practice. So if I've hired a new employee, instead of having to send an email or pick up a phone, I can simply come here, type in the information about the employee and what access they should have, and when completed, submit this form. Again, a representative from MDeverywhere will contact you if there's any questions. Otherwise, we'll be able to make any changes directly from this website. The next feature I'd like to discuss with you is our new YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel can be found by going to MDeverywhere, by searching for MDeverywhere via YouTube, or by going directly to youtube.com/user/MDeverywhere. Once you have located the MDeverywhere YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to it. By clicking subscribe on the right-hand side, you'll actually receive notifications anytime a new video is posted to MDeverywhere's YouTube page. These videos are going to include announcements about new features, training videos on how to use functionality within the program, and lots of other exciting things. So make sure to go to YouTube, search for that keyword MDeverywhere, and subscribe to the channel so you're notified with any new videos. The last subject I'd like to talk about today is our new Showcase Client Initiative. The Showcase Clients Initiative is a referral program that we've built to reward you for helping us with referrals. First of all, anytime that you sit in on a phone call with a prospective client and provide a referral to that new client for MDeverywhere, you'll receive a $100 credit off of your monthly service fee for sitting in on that call. Also, if you allow us to use your practice as a model practice for another client, if we can bring a client perspective into your office and let them see MDeverywhere in use within your practice, you'll receive a $250 credit on your monthly service fee for that visit as well. And lastly, for any clients that you actually refer to MDeverywhere, again, if you have any practices that need a new billing system, anyone that you know would benefit from MDeveryware services, if you refer them to MDeverywhere and they do sign with us, you'll receive a $1,000 per doctor credit off your monthly service fee. So for example, if you refer a 3-doctor practice to MDeverywhere and they do sign with us, you would receive a $3,000 credit off your monthly service fee. Again, this is us rewarding you for your efforts in assisting us to grow and become the company we know we are. We thank you for your time. If you have any questions about any of these subjects, please do contact your account executive. They can answer you with any other information. Ann?
Thank you again for your time today. I hope you are as excited by these new features and programs as we are, and we look forward to your feedback. These new features are just the most recent examples of our constant efforts to innovate and improve our systems and capabilities. We also recently launched a new patient pay platform called Patient First that includes a patient portal, a retail lockbox, and an in-office payment system. This is a very exciting new program designed to help our clients collect patient receivables while improving convenience for patients. We have many exciting innovations planned for the coming months. Again, we appreciate the time you spent with us today, and we appreciate your business.